All right, welcome back to the Robinhood guys. Here to give you a little update. So on Friday, I was up a little bit, but Robinhood decided to close me out of my Tesla daily spread. So be careful with this, guys. If you guys are doing a little bit riskier contracts, I wanted to get a little extra money for the day, so $18. So I sold a credit spread for $18. So I sold contracts into the market, a spread, and Robinhood forced me to buy it back at 21. So yeah, just be careful with that. Made me lose like $3. But anyway, so yeah, that's what this L is. Could have closed right here, but it's whatever. So little update, started about 2 weeks ago at 400. And so yeah, got destroyed ever since. But had a little bit more time to focus, so we made a bounce back, 152 in the past week, but still at a loss. So still down like $6 out of the challenge, second deposit, so we still got to make back $400 from the first one. But so yeah, that's a little bit of an update. So I'll let you know what I am up to next. So I'm going to be looking at technology, just because it has been performing pretty well here. Sorry for being on my phone. Just finishing up 2 more weeks of school, then I can give a little bit better technicals. And there we go. So yeah, I mean, it's a little bumpy on the way up, but already broke out from all-time highs. There's been analysts saying that we'll be at 440 by end of summer. So they'll think this trend will continue, which I think it will too, unless on Wednesday the Fed decides to taper bonds, so easing their bond purchases. But so yeah, I'm liking MasterCard, Visa. Let me see here. Yup, I think MasterCard will break out of here. It's trading a little bit flat, but from what I've seen from the charts, relative strength has been holding up, and money has been slowing down, but that's okay. It already held this range. It already tested the bottom like 4 times basically, but I think it'll break out a little bit more. I can go over more technicals later on in future videos, but I would say stay away from the banks unless the sell-off has already occurred. But I think there might be a little bit more room to test like the 40s range. An example is Bank of America. So yeah, 3% in a week is not very good. So I mean, if you caught this move, congrats, because let's see, a weekly $1.50 out. So currently there. So the 40 put, I don't know, let's say we bought like 30, maybe 50. Yeah, so we could have bought 50 of them, 6 cents each, but let's just say 7. So 350. Spend 350. What was in the money? The money will say in between these 2 lines where it says share price 41.85. So we'll just split it. So we had 50. So yeah, 350 into 2,000. So congrats. Just like to put things into perspective. But yeah, not really exciting. I mean, let's see. So right here I have the release of the consumer price index. So this is basically what everybody's saying about inflation going up. So yeah, seasonally adjusted. I don't think that's core. But so yeah, 5% was for May, and it's been the highest, or this is the highest it's been since I think either 2008 or like 1990 something. But so yeah, inflation's been going up 5% right here for all items, which would include food, energy, all of that good stuff. Cars, I think cars went down from 10 to 7.3. But so yeah, I don't know, everybody's saying that, or well, analysts are saying that this is just a temporary thing. So the dollar went up for those that have noticed. So dollar went up because they're like, oh, this is the worst it's going to get. But I don't know. I don't think inflation has stopped. Yeah, I think it'll probably reach one more, maybe in the month of June. They expect it to get to like 7, something like that. I don't remember. But I think it's too early to get bullish on the dollar. Gold took a big hit because, gold is an inflation hedge. So, yeah. So, yeah, gold was doing great. Sold off a little bit. So, I think there might be a little bit of a pullback if everybody thinks that we're going to bounce back from inflation. But, so, yeah, not really too exciting. But I would say watch out on Wednesday because the Federal Reserve will be discussing about their tapering bonds. But so yeah, till next time, guys, we shall see if we can break out of this trend.